Today I am reviewing the Roborock Q7 M5 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Roborock Q7 M5 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop is designed for people who want a smarter and more hands-free way to keep their home clean without spending hours vacuuming every week. It combines powerful vacuuming, mopping, intelligent navigation, and an automatic self-emptying dock into one system that feels genuinely premium for everyday use. After spending time looking at everything this model offers, it becomes clear that Roborock focused heavily on convenience, pet hair management, and strong cleaning performance. One of the biggest highlights of the Q7 M5 Plus is its incredibly strong 10,000 pascals HyperForce suction power. That number might sound like marketing jargon at first, but in real-world use it translates into a robot vacuum that can pick up dust, pet hair, crumbs, dirt, and debris far more effectively than older robot vacuums. Whether you have hardwood floors, tile, rugs, or thick carpets, the suction feels powerful enough to pull debris from deep inside carpet fibers instead of simply gliding over the surface. Homes with pets especially benefit here because pet hair is often one of the hardest things for robot vacuums to handle consistently. Speaking of pet hair, Roborock clearly designed this model with pet owners in mind. The dual anti-tangle system is one of the smartest additions on this robot. Traditional robot vacuums often require constant maintenance because hair wraps around the main brush and side brush, eventually reducing cleaning performance. The Q7 M5 Plus addresses that issue with its jaw scraper's main brush and specially designed side brush that actively resist hair tangles. If you have long-haired pets or family members with long hair, this feature alone can save a lot of frustration and cleanup time. Instead of constantly stopping to untangle brushes, the robot keeps running efficiently with minimal maintenance. Another major advantage is the RockDock Plus self-emptying system. This is one of the features that truly transforms robot vacuum ownership from helpful gadget to something that actually feels automated. The included 2.7-liter sealed dust bag can hold weeks' worth of debris, allowing the vacuum to empty itself automatically after cleaning sessions. Roborock claims up to 7 to 9 weeks of hands-free cleaning, and depending on the size of your home and how much dirt accumulates, that feels very realistic. For busy households, this is a massive convenience because you are no longer emptying the dustbin after every cleaning cycle. The vacuum and mopping combination also works surprisingly well. Many robot vacuums include mopping as an afterthought, but the Q7 M5 Plus actually adds value by helping remove fine dust and light stains while vacuuming at the same time. It features 3 adjustable water flow levels, which is useful because not every floor type requires the same amount of moisture. Light daily mopping can help maintain cleaner floors between deeper manual cleanings. It is especially effective for kitchens, hallways, and living areas where dust and footprints accumulate quickly. Navigation is another area where Roborock has built a strong reputation, and the Precise Sense LiDAR navigation system continues that trend. The robot maps your home quickly and accurately, creating efficient cleaning paths instead of randomly bouncing around like cheaper robot vacuums often do. The LiDAR system allows the robot to understand room layouts, avoid obstacles, and clean methodically. Watching it move through a home feels intelligent and organized rather than chaotic. Multi-room homes especially benefit because the robot can remember layouts and clean efficiently without missing large sections. The mapping system becomes even more useful when paired with the Roborock app. The app experience is one of the best aspects of owning a Roborock vacuum because it gives you extensive control without feeling overly complicated. You can schedule cleanings for specific times, create no-go zones, select individual rooms to clean, monitor cleaning progress in real time, and even check battery levels directly from your smartphone. This level of customization makes the vacuum feel tailored to your home instead of generic. If you have pets, you can also create restricted areas around food bowls or pet beds to prevent disturbances during cleaning. Voice control support and app connectivity add another layer of convenience. Starting a cleaning session while you are away from home feels genuinely useful, especially if guests are coming over or you simply want to return to cleaner floors after work or school. The only thing users should note is that the app requires a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection, which is fairly standard for smart home devices, but still worth remembering during setup. In terms of overall design, the black finish gives the vacuum a sleek and modern appearance that blends well into most homes. It looks premium without drawing too much attention to itself. The dock is larger because of the self-emptying feature, but that trade-off is worthwhile considering how much maintenance it eliminates. Battery performance is also solid. The robot is capable of cleaning large areas efficiently before returning to recharge automatically. For bigger homes, the smart recharge and resume feature is useful because the vacuum can continue where it left off instead of restarting the entire cleaning cycle. Of course, no robot vacuum completely replaces deep manual cleaning, especially for corners, stairs, or heavily stuck debris. But the Q7 M5 Plus dramatically reduces the amount of daily cleaning effort needed to maintain a tidy home. It handles routine cleaning extremely well, which is exactly what most people want from a robot vacuum. Overall, the Roborock Q7 M5 Plus robot vacuum and mop stands out as an impressive upgrade over older robot vacuum systems thanks to its extremely strong suction power, reliable LiDAR navigation, effective mopping, advanced anti-tangle design, and genuinely useful self-emptying dock. It is particularly ideal for pet owners, busy households, and anyone looking to automate more of their home cleaning routine. The combination of intelligent features and strong real-world cleaning performance makes this one of the more compelling robot vacuum and mop systems currently available.